I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey y'all, welcome welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video. It is nighttime. It's actually like 12 a.m. And I am going to do my nighttime skincare routine. I feel like the last time I did one of these, I had chilled out on some of the products that I was using. I think I was using like maybe 4 or something like that. Kind of back to like a full nighttime routine, but you know what? That plus drinking my water has been working out for me, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Or if it ain't broke, go back to it. So if you guys want to see what I do, let's go. So first things first, these lashes have to go. Okay, so because I have makeup on, I'm going to use this Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm. As you can see, she has been loved, okay? We almost need some more, but if you've shopped Inky List at Sephora, then you know it is not an expensive brand. This is probably like $10. It's giving very much so The Ordinary with their products. And we get all the way up in there because your girl has white sheets, okay? Absolutely not. And then actual cleanser. This is from Cora Organics. It's their Turmeric Glow Foaming Cleanser. Y'all, I already told you guys I love a good foaming cleanser. I don't know, for some reason I just feel like it's really giving, you know. You're getting all up in there, really cleaning everything away. Although I didn't have that much makeup on today. Toner, Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA. I told you guys I was using strictly Glow Recipe stuff for a month. Definitely had my skin on the glow, but no, I'm an Aquarius. I can never actually stick to just one thing, so I still use a lot of Glow Recipe, but you know, I ended up wanting to try other things, and here we are. The only thing about this is it smells like watermelon. I usually like watermelon scented things. I don't like watermelon like actually eating it, but this is a type of watermelon scent that I'm not used to. Essence. Ooh. Baby, when I tell you, I think TikTok or Twitter put me onto this. What is the name of the company? Corsix. This brand. And I look back since. This is their Snail 96 essence. Going to get some pumps. Ooh, not been one too many pumps.
Excuse me. This is a new company that's at Sephora. It's called Lion Pose. And they sent me their Acid Jelly Night Serum. So I've been using it ever since. I like it. I don't know if it's the jelliness that, you know, has me hooked on it. But I have noticed, you know, my skin, when I wake up in the morning, that's the consistency of it. Focus. I don't know. You guys know, like, almost the consistency of gripping primers. I don't know, for some reason that's what this reminds me of. But I like it on the skin. Like, I like smoothing it out on my face too. Like, do you see that? Do you see how my hand's coming off my face? I'm assuming it's the, you know, jelly part of it, but I like that. I don't know. Everything else just kind of like sticks onto it. Did I leave the light on? I did. For my under eye, this is the Sunday Riley, not the name done wore off, but this, everything will be linked in the description down below, but this is what I use as my eye cream. And then at night, I use the same brand's Snail 92 as a moisturizer. And then during the day, I use the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Your makeup on top of this is why I use this during the day. Now this, baby, that whole snail thing, just real, like, y'all see that? You don't need that much of this. Now you see how I'm breaking out right there? This thing, it's from I Do Care. It's their Fix My Zit Acne Gel treatment. This has been a lifesaver. Now I won't say that, you know, you'll wake up the next morning and the breakout will be gone, but if you put this on your breakout, come on. If you put it on your breakout the next day, you know, when the breakout first pops up, how it usually, the pus or whatever's inside, like it turns white. You see that whiteness and you'll be real tempted to pop it. But you know, once that whiteness comes up, it's going to pop pretty soon. It'll do that. And then like the next day or the day after that, it's gone. So like with this, I have a breakout for like 2 days. And then, where is she? Where is, don't play with me, where is? And then this is the Juvia's Place lip oil. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. Look at my skin. She's giving, you know, she's giving glowy, she's giving youthful, but it's not greasy. You know, I can't like go like this and feel like product is rubbing off on me. I hate that feeling. I don't know if it's the jelly where, you know, everything you put on top just kind of like, it grips everything to your face. But like I said, sticking to my skincare routine and water has been doing wonders for me lately. So that is it. Everything that I used on my face will be linked in the description down below. And yeah, thank you guys for getting unready with me. I do have some new skincare products that I'm like slowly building into my routine, but I haven't used them enough to be like, yeah, this really hitting it. So that's why I haven't showed them. But anything else, I will let you guys know either in vlogs, other videos, Instagram, TikTok. So make sure you're following me on there. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.